Hi, this is Somshakar from Maths Guru Academy. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. Today we are going to solve first question of exercise 3.3 of the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. The question is solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. So they have given the two equations, we have to solve by which method? Substitution method. So the first equation is x plus y is equal to 14. So let this is be our first equation, and second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. This is our second equation. So we have to consider one equation and we have to write in terms of x or y, right? So here I will consider equation 1. Considering equation 1, so here I will write in terms of x. So I will consider equation 1 and I will write in terms of x. That means we have to keep x as it is and we have to shift y to the RHS. So what it will become? X is equal to 14 minus y, right? So this is our equation 3. Now I will substitute equation 3 in equation 2, right? So since we took equation 1 and written in terms of x, so this one equation, so since we considered equation 1 I have written in terms of x, so then I will substitute this x is equal to 14 minus y in equation 2. So in equation 2, in place of x I will write 14 minus y. So this minus y as it is equal to 4 as it is. Now 14 minus y minus 2y is equal to 4. So this minus 2y as it is, I will shift 14 to the RHS, then it will become minus 14, right? So minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 14, it will become minus 10, right? So I should get the value of y, so I will shift minus 2 to the RHS. So where it will go? It will goes to the denominator. So y is equal to minus 10 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2 fives are. So y is equal to 5. So the value of y is 5, right? So now I will substitute y is equal to 5 in equation 3. So if I substitute y is equal to 5 in equation 3, then easily I will get the value of x, right? So x is equal to 14 minus as it is. In place of y, I will substitute 5. So which we got the value. So x is equal to 14 minus 5, 9, right? So this is our x value. Therefore, x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Next sub-question. So next sub-question is s minus t is equal to 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. So I will consider equation 1 and I will write in terms of s. So that means I will keep s as it is. I will shift t to the RHS. Then it will become s is equal to 3 plus t, right? So this is equation 3. Now I will substitute equation 3 in which equation? In equation 2. So in place of s I will substitute 3 plus t in equation 2. So in place of s I will substitute 3 plus t. So denominator 3 as it is plus t by 2 as it is equal to 6 as it is. Now we have to take LCM. LCM for 3 and 2 is 6, right? So into 6 into 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Now we have to multiply 3 plus 2 with 2. So 2 into 3 plus t plus 2 ones are 2 threes are. So t into 3, 3t is equal to 6. Now 2 threes are 6 plus 2 into t, 2t plus 3t divided by 6 is equal to 6, right? So now 6 plus 2t plus 3t, 5t is equal to, if I shift denominator to the RHS, then it will become 36, right? Now 5t is equal to 36. I will shift 6 to the RHS, then it will become minus 6, right? So 5t is equal to 36 minus 6, 30. So t is equal to 30 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 6 are. So t value 6, right? Now I will substitute t is equal to 6 in equation 3. So now easily I will get the value of s. So this in equation 3 s is equal to 3 plus as it is. In place of t I will substitute 6 here. So s is equal to 3 plus 6 9. So the value of s is 9. Therefore s is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. This is our solution. Next sub question is 3x minus y is equal to 3 and 9x minus 3y is equal to 9, right? So this is our first equation and this is the second equation. Now we have to consider one equation and we have to write in terms of x or in terms of y, right? So I will consider equation 1 and I will write in terms of y now. So then what it will become? So minus 3x minus 3 is equal to y, right? So I will write in terms of y. So I will shift y to the RHS and 3 to the LHS. Then it will become 3x minus 3 is equal to y. So y is equal to 3x minus 3, right? So this is equation 3. Now I will substitute equation 3 in which equation? Equation 2, right? So in place of y, I will substitute 3x minus 3. So this 9x as it is, minus as it is, 3 as it is. In place of y, I will write 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. So 9x as it is, minus into plus, minus 3 into 3x 9x, minus into minus plus 3 into 3 9 is equal to 9. Here plus 9x minus 9x cancel, remaining 9 is equal to 9. So x term is cancelled, right? So we don't have any variable here and we got LHS is equal to RHS. So as I said, if variables is cancelled and LHS is equal to RHS, then how many solutions we have? We have many solutions, but we don't have any particular specific value here. So since LHS is equal to RHS, the given pair of linear equations have many solutions. So we don't have any particular specific solutions here. So we have many solutions. Fourth sub question, 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3 and second equation is 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So we have to simplify this one and we have to find the value of x and y, right? By which method? Substitution method. So I will take first equation here, 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. Next, in the next step, can I write 0.2x as 2x by 10? So since I am shifting decimal by one digit, then denominator becomes 10, right? So next, like that, if I shift decimal one digit, then this will become 3y by 10, right? Then in the same way, if I digit decimal by one digit, then it will become 13 by 10, correct? So in the denominator 10 is there, so there is no need to take LCM. We can directly add the numerator. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 by 10. So here denominator 10 and 10 cancels. So remaining 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, right? This is our first equation. So next we will take one more equation in what they have given in the question. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So again I will shift decimal one digit, then it will become 4x by 10, right? Like that, this will become 5y by 10. In the same way, this will become 23 by 10, right? So since the denominator is same, there is no need to take LCM. Directly we can add the numerator. 4x plus 5y as it is equal to 23 by 10. So here denominator cancels. So same number is there, we can cancel. So 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. This is our second equation, right? Now we can consider any one of the equation and we can write in terms of x and x or y, right? So here I will consider equation 1. So what is our equation 1? 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, right? So I will consider this equation and I will write in terms of x. So in terms of x means we have to keep x in the LHS itself and we have to shift remaining to the RHS. So here I will keep 2x as it is, then I will shift 3y to the RHS, then it will become 13 minus 3y, right? So again I will shift 2 to the RHS, then what it will become? X is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2, right? So let this is be the equation 3. Now I will substitute x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 3, that is equation 3, in which equation? Equation 2, right? Since we took equation 1 and we written in terms of x, now I will substitute this one to the equation 2. So substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So in place of x I will write 13 minus 3y by 2. So here 4 as it is. In place of x I will write this value 13 minus 3y by 2, then remaining 5y is equal to 23 as it is, plus 5y is equal to 23 as it is, right? Now 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel, right? So 2 into 13 26 minus 2 into 3y 6y plus 5y remaining as it is, then 23 as it is. Now 26 as it is, minus 6y plus 5y minus 1y, right? So minus y is equal to 23. So minus y as it is, I will shift to 26 to the RHS, then it will become 23 minus 26, right? So minus y as it is, 23 minus 26 minus 3. So here minus minus cancels. So then remaining y is equal to 3. So we got the y value. Now if we substitute this y is equal to 3 in equation 3, we will get the value of x, right? Now substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 3. So in place of y I will substitute 3. So x is equal to 13 minus 3. In place of y I will substitute 3 divided by 2. Now x is equal to 13 minus 3 3s are 9 by 2. X is equal to 13 minus 9. What we will get? 4, right? Divided by 2 as it is. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So x is equal to 2. This is our solution. Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. And next fifth sub question is root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. This is our first equation. And root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. This is our second equation. Now we have to consider any one of the equation and we have to write in terms of x or in terms of y, right? Now I will considering equation 1. I will consider equation 1 and I will write in terms of x. So in terms of x means we have to keep x as it is and we have to shift root 3y into the RHS, right? Then it will become root 2x is equal to minus root 3y, right? Now I will shift root to the RHS, then it will go to the denominator. So x is equal to minus root 3y divided by root 2, right? So this is equation 3. Now I will substitute equation 3 in which equation? Equation 2. So substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Then what it will become? In place of x I will substitute minus root 3y by root 2. So here root 3 as it is. In place of x I will write this value minus root 3y by root 2, then minus root 8y as it is equal to 0, right? Now plus into minus root 3 into root 3 whole square y divided by root 2 as it is denominator minus root 8y is equal to 0, right? So this minus as it is, here square and square root cancel. So remaining 3y by root 2 minus root 8y is equal to 0. So next if we simplify this one we will get the value of y, right? So in the denominator nothing is there means 1. So LCM for root 2 and 1 is root 2. So into root 2, here into root 2. So here root 2 cancel. So minus 3y as it is and here minus as it is. So root 2 divided by 1 root 2 itself, right? So root 8 into root 2 root 16y is equal to 0. Minus 3y minus root 16 value 4 right? So y as it is equal to 0. Here denominator root 2 as it is. Now I will shift denominator to the RHS, then it will become minus 3y minus 4y is equal to, if we shift root to the RHS, then it will become 0 into root 2. 0 into anything? 0, right? Now minus 3y minus 4y minus 7y is equal to 0, right? That implies y value is equal to 0, right? So if I shift minus 7 to the RHS, then it will go to denominator, 0 by anything 0. So therefore y value is 0, right? Now I will substitute y is equal to 0 in equation 3. So what is our equation 3? X is equal to minus root 3y by root 2, right? So x is equal to minus root 3. In place of y, I will substitute y value 0, right? Divided by root 2. So x is equal to 0 into anything 0, denominator as it is. In the next step, 0 divided by anything 0 itself, right? So therefore x is equal to 0 and y is also 0. So next, last sub question, 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. This is our first equation. And x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So this is our second equation, right? So we have to consider any one of the equation and we have to write in terms of x or in terms of y, right? So here I will consider equation 2 and I will convert it into in terms of x. So considering equation 2, so I will convert in terms of x now. So I will keep x by 3 as it is and I will shift y by 2 to the RHS. Then it will become x by 3 is equal to 13 by 6 minus y by 2, right? So we have to take LCM here. So LCM for 6 and 2 is 6, right? So 6 is the LCM. So here into 6 into 6. So here 6 ones are cancel. So 13 into 1, 13 as it is, minus as it is, 2 ones are 2 3s are, right? So y into 3, 3y. So now I will shift 3 to the RHS. So what it will become? X is equal to 3 into 13 minus 3y by 6, right? Now 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. So x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2, right? So this is equation 3. So I will substitute this x value in which equation? In equation 1. So here in equation 1 I will write 3 by 2 as it is. 3 by 2 as it is. So in place of x I will write this value 13 minus 3y by 2 minus, so 5 by 3 into y is equal to minus 2 as it is. Now see here 3 into 13, 39, right? So plus into minus, minus 3 into 3y, 9y divided by 2 into 2, 4 minus 5y by 3 as it is, and here minus 2 also as it is. So now we have to take LCM in the LHS, right? So LCM for 4 and 3 is 12, right? So 12 here into 12 into 12. So here 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12. That means we have to multiply this one with 3. So 3 into 39 minus 9y. So here minus as it is. 3 ones are 3 4s are 12. So 5y into 4, 20y, right, is equal to minus 2. So in the next step, 3 into 39, 117 minus 3 into 9y, 27y minus 20y as it is divided by 12 is equal to minus 2, right? So next, so this 117 as it is, minus 27y minus 20y minus 47y, denominator 12 as it is, so is equal to minus 2 as it is. Now I will shift 12 to the RHS. So remaining 117 minus 47y as it is. So 12 into minus 2, minus 24, right? So I will keep minus 47y as it is. So I will shift 117 to the RHS. So minus 24 as it is, 117 will become minus 117. So minus 47y is equal to minus 24 minus 117 minus 141 divided by minus, so minus 141, right? Next, y is equal to minus 141. I will shift minus 47 to the RHS, then it will become minus 141 by minus 47, right? So minus minus cancel, 47 ones are 47 3s are 141. So y value is 3. Now I will substitute this y is equal to 3 in equation 3. So 3. So here x is equal to 13 minus 3 as it is. In place of y I will substitute 3, denominator 2 as it is. So x is equal to 13 minus 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. So x is equal to 13 minus 9. So 4, right? 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are. So x is equal to 2. Therefore 2 3. This is our solution. Thank you.